Google's Pixel smartphones offer one of the purest and most satisfying Android experiences, thanks to their open source design and near stock operating system. While they may not boast as many features as their competitors like Samsung and OnePlus, Pixel devices come packed with some truly unique and surprising features that you'll wish you had discovered sooner. I've gathered 7 of these standout features and I hope you like them. Sometimes it's hard to convey emotions or reactions over a phone call. That's where audio emojis come in, filling the gap by adding a fun touch to your conversations. They're a fun way to lighten the mood, and spamming them every now and then can be quite entertaining. Let me show you what I mean. This feature should be enabled by default on your device, but if it's not, you can easily turn it on by going to your phone app, navigate to Settings, General, and toggle on audio emojis. Once activated, you'll have 6 pre-selected audio snippets to choose from during a call, ranging from a sad noise to a drum roll or even clapping. When you select an audio emoji, the sound plays for both you and the person on the other end of the call. Currently, these audio emojis are only available during calls. While they might seem a bit silly or unnecessary at first, try them out with your friends. You might be surprised at how much fun they can add to your conversations. One of the underrated features on Pixel devices is clear calling. When you're on a call, the last thing you want is to struggle to hear the other person. As the name suggests, this feature uses the AI to enhance the call quality by actively reducing the background noise from the other end, making the speaker's voice clearer and easier to understand. In simple terms, it's a feature that's not meant for the other people to hear you better. Instead, it's the opposite. This can be enabled by going to Sound and Vibration in Settings app, scroll down, and select this. For the best results, make sure your cellular network is strong or your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi. This feature can make a noticeable difference, especially in noisy environments, making your conversations much more pleasant. Pixel devices come with an excellent song identification feature called Now Playing. I often put radio stations for focus music while working. Since many of them don't show which song they're playing, a song identification feature becomes incredibly useful. While apps like Shazam and SoundHound are popular for song identification, Pixel devices have this feature built in, so there is no need to download additional apps. To activate Now Playing, you'll first have to enable this by going into Settings app, select Sound and Vibration, and then Now Playing. Turn on Identify Songs Playing Nearby option. To protect your privacy and sending data to Google, the device will download a database which will be used for song identification. Now, when you have to identify a song or an artist, tap the Listen for Song feature on your lock screen. Within 5 to 6 seconds, it will show you the result. My experience has been really good, offering quick and easy access with impressive accuracy. You can also check the history section to review all the songs identified so far. So the next time you're at a restaurant or at a party and happen to like their playlist, you know what to do. The use of automatic subtitles or live captions across various apps is becoming increasingly common. But did you know your Pixel device can also transcribe captions during phone calls? This accessibility feature was mainly designed to aid those who are deaf or hard of hearing, but it has become useful when you're in a noisy environment or when you need to take a call discreetly. This feature transcribes everything the person on the other end speaks on your screen in real time. To enable this feature, go to Settings, Accessibility, and toggle on Live Caption, caption calls, and type responses during calls. Thanks to Google's Tensor processor, all the speech recognition is done locally on your device without requiring an internet connection. While there may be a slight delay due to processing time, the captions are usually swift enough to keep up with the conversation. Moreover, this feature supports 8 of the most spoken languages worldwide, making it beneficial for users who are comfortable reading in one language while speaking in another. You also have the option to type responses, which your device will read aloud to the caller.
Ah, very interesting. This is good.
Just remember to turn off the live caption feature when you are done, as it will continue transcribing and will drain your battery unnecessarily. Google introduced the Quick Tap feature with the Pixel 5 and Android 11, and it has since been included in every subsequent model. Quick Tap allows you to perform actions like open apps, control media, or manage device functions by tapping the back of your phone. To activate this feature, go to your Settings app, navigate to System, Gestures, and toggle on the Quick Tap feature. For instance, I often use the screenshot feature, so I'll set the Quick Tap to capture screenshots and can now tap anywhere on the back of my phone instead of holding down the buttons. If you find the tap sensitivity too high, you can adjust it to require stronger taps. Although this feature is overlooked, it's incredibly handy, and I hope to see it become a standard option across devices in the future. Amongst the many useful features, one admirable feature is the ability to quickly copy text or images directly from recent apps menu without needing to switch between apps. Previously, you had to use the select button before copying text or an image, but now you can skip the step. Simply press and hold on to the text for a second or two and it will start highlighting. From there on, you can copy onto another app, create a search, or share it with others. Whereas for images, the entire image will be selected, allowing you to copy or share it. However, this feature doesn't seem to work with OCR images. Nonetheless, this is a great way to copy or share text without needing to take screenshots and then extract the text from there. It's a small but efficient one that makes multitasking on your Pixel device even smoother. In the previous tip, after copying the text, did you notice that there was a small pop-up in the bottom left corner? This nifty feature is called Clipboard Pop-up, which was introduced in Android 13. When you tap on the pop-up, it opens a lightweight text editor that allows you to quickly edit the copied text before pasting elsewhere. After making the changes, paste the modified text wherever you need. Keep in mind that this feature may be limited to newer Pixel models. And that wraps up this video. If I've missed anything that you think should have been included, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, as it helps the algorithm show it to more people. Thanks for watching. My name is Rohit and I'll catch you in the next one.